Tradespoon. My name is Vlad, I'm CEO and founder of Tradespoon, and today I'd like to go over current market conditions and what to expect as the key levels in PX and spiders, and some of the trade ideas for the current market conditions. Disclosures are very important. I'm going to go to a trade example. Please read the disclosures. You can always pause the screen if you need more time to read the disclosures. Right, let's take a look. I'm looking at the spiders. We had a pretty good recovery despite all the negative news this week, whether it's factory orders, services PMI, manufacturing PMI, initial claims, all negative data, and we actually ended up almost flat or even, let's see, is it high for the week? I don't even know. Flat for the week, right? We're at the session of last week's session high. So big win for the bulls. We are trading above this downtrend. Market wants to continue going higher despite all of the negative news in the market. Key concern for the bulls is the 10-year yield and 3 months, right? Huge discrepancy. Yield inverted and 10-year yield continue to stay at this key support level. So personally, I don't think market can go much further without yield bouncing back next week. We do have unemployment data. We have CPI data. Yield has to come back. If we marginally had a marginal break this week below previous low, if next week the yield continues to drop, that's a recessionary trade, and I think the rally is over. If the yield does rebound as we approach in the earnings season, I think market can continue going higher, maybe either till the end of next week or earlier following week. But best case scenario, we retest February lows. I don't think market can go much further than the February lows. At this point was the yield, was the Russell 2000, right? Small cap stock sitting at 52-week low, and XLR, right? Banks. Without banks, without industrials, without energy names, it's just a matter of time for the market to roll over, and I think it will start by end of April. Stock forecast toolbox still shows for the next 10 days we're trading in a strong uptrend. I think that continues for the next 10 days. Longer term, I don't think we're going to get through 431 now with the additional information, especially the way the yield is behaving. So again, 420, 418 is the best case scenario in my opinion. Revisiting 370 level either by end of April or by middle of May is my core scenario. So I think we will revisit December lows in the next 2 to 6 weeks. Personally, I'm trading short-term trades. Longer term, I'm bearish. I have bearish position. Short-term trader, I'm using ActiveTrader, weekly trader to look for 0.5% to 1% gains. This is an example. I did UNH, today I did LLY, bought it at 366, trimmed at 368, looking for 0.5% to 1% gain in very short period of time. All eyes on PPI and CPI data next week, and then the earnings on Friday. Large banks will set the tone, right? How the recent financial instability, crisis, however you want to call it, influence the regional and large banks. So all eyes on JP Morgan next Friday, along with CPI and unemployment data. So a lot of data points that will set the tone for the middle and end of Q2. Please join us on YouTube. We have live broadcast on Wednesday morning and closing bell session on Friday, 9:30 a.m. Central. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Happy Easter, happy Passover for those of you who are celebrating. And I will see you Monday. There's no trading on Friday. Thank you.